Okay, we're gonna start here on the Cotai Strip at nighttime. It's a Sunday night. You can see somebody going up the Eiffel Tower thing, the Eiffel Tower replica. And we're gonna show you all around here, starting right here. Got a moon over there. And we're gonna walk down that strip right here, Cotai Strip. Stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's go check out the Cotai Strip. So we're gonna walk directly down this way first, and then we'll kind of show you. Let's show you what we're leaving behind. This is the Parisian. And we're gonna go directly down this way. Some people hanging out here. And then way down there is Studio City. Let's just kind of catch it from the angle here. So there's Studio City right there. And those lights go up that are up in the air. Those are all from Studio City. Studio City originally was going to be like a theater thing. Like they were going to have studio, actually a real studio there, and try to make movies and all kinds of stuff. But I think none of that stuff happened. They just have the casino. The casino is that's nice. I never see anybody in there though. But I think in the future there will be, because Studio City is built right next to there's a Galaxy right there, and then this is the shops between Venetian and Parisian, and this is Parisian, and that's Studio City down there. I have done Studio City. I noticed whenever I put up the Studio City casino, it doesn't get anywhere near as many clicks as the other ones for whatever reason. But when you go in it, it's nice. But yeah, you don't really see that many people either. The ones you see most of the people in is Venetian, by far, not even close. I think sometimes people ask me about Wynn Palace, and they ask me about you know, how's business there, and that was a little bit removed. It might change in the future. Has a really beautiful thing out front, and I filmed that. That's Londoner right there, and it's MGM on the other side of Londoner, and then the Wynn Palace is over on the other side. The Wynn Palace is kind of removed, so is MGM. So to get over there, you have to get away from this main strip. But the main strip here is pretty nice. Where when you walk down those ones, it's it doesn't quite have the same feel as walking down this one. So anyways. And actually the strip, like Las Vegas, you think of it as one main street that goes down, and this one would probably be like that street, the one that I'm on right now. I think of it as the Cotai Strip would be like what I'm on, but actually the real Cotai Strip is actually not linear like that. It's more like a strip of land between Taipa Island and Koloan Island, and basically this that we're on is all reclaimed land. So this one is a strip of land between what used to be two separate islands, Koloan and Taipa, and then Koloan Ko and Taipa Tai, Cotai. So now we call it Cotai Strip. It's a strip of reclaimed land and soil and dirt that they put between the two islands and created all these casinos. There's Macau Plaza. So yep, you got tourists coming in, you got suitcases. So I don't know how they ended up walking their suitcase down, because usually almost all the casinos, they take you directly to it. So when you come into your entry point, it'll say you know, it'll say you which casino you want, and all the casinos provide the person to go directly to it. So to see someone with their luggage walking down the street, it's kind of funny. Like something went wrong, like they jumped in the wrong bus to the wrong casino, I guess. Either that or they're changing casinos at 8 o'clock at night, whatever time it is. I'll put the in all my videos I put the time. There's the Parisian in the background. I'll put the time so you can see it. There's Londoner right there. So Londoner at night is lit up now, so you can see this big church mural thing. It's pretty nice to be able to see that. These are all shops. So this little walkway right here, these are all shops, but this connects to later on what would be Venetian. Oh, sorry, Parisian, and then this is the Venetian, that little temple up there. and then that's a Londoner. So all three have the same owner, Venetian, Parisian, and Londoner. So they all kind of have a nice similar theme, like a European theme: Paris, Venice, and London. There's a Londoner right through there. And I kind of want to show you these statues. They're kind of cool looking, for one. I don't know what they're gonna look like at nighttime, but let's go up and take a look though. There's this one. Of course, that looks beautiful. And then you have the statue here and here. Let's go to this one first because I want to go back. I want to keep going the same way in a minute. Let's see how this is at nighttime. Okay, this is in Magellan. Final de Magalhães. Not sure how you say it in Portuguese, but in English we just say Magellan. But yeah, it's written in Portuguese. Is he a Portuguese explorer? I was thinking he was Vasco da Gama. I think that's Italian. And I think the other one was Spanish, right? Maybe correct me if I'm wrong, I might be wrong. Okay, can we get out of here down here? Nope. So we have to go back. Bye bye, Vasco da Gama. And we're gonna head on this way. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go up there, and then we'll show you. I will just show you this side. I was gonna go up and show you from up there, but it's not much different. So let's just check this out. There's Londoner right there. So now you can see that. And then over here is Venetian. And over here is City of Dreams and Morpheus. So you can kind of see all of them, right? Let's go a little bit further. And then we can show you all of them. So there's a Londoner. It's beautiful at night. Yeah, that's a Londoner. That's nice. It's gonna look real nice. That might be my Londoner thumbnail right there. That looks really cool. And Morpheus over there. Venetian over here. And this is kind of that in between Venetian and Parisian right there. And then you can kind of take this little walkway across to connect all of them. Okay, that's real nice. So we'll end it right there.